Ebusa me say Jema memu no ho Ghana for yada ne nkoa ana se be yesom na point is. Onim se nansian ana eba mfana memu se yato public servants obi aketua mu the base pay near increasing by 9%. I don't need to ra 2026 mo. Aba Ghana for twe ho daure any ade a. Nansian Ato Forson di Ghana budget eba ya. Presidential staffers Felix Ofosu Kwache mo. Ya increase o mu salary by 67%. 67%. Abra yam fa nurses any teachers for. Eno ana comedians for Ghana for the ehene ha. Muso be there ebe o wa be clash with JM any Ato Forson. Be man chire unu akire wadwe amame. E wo comment section. Ayi Penyah block media. Meso wa say any demo. Obe like video no that man subscribe button na be click notification con for latest update. Na be chire wadwe de amame. E wo comment section. Bezo so baso no share for anya bi ahwe. Eti me obi a me per receipt je. Eti o me only make as I know I study e bia na me record because me per receipt. Say be asemba metima yi dance here. E bi 2024 ye ko election ni mu no. Ana GM e ya aprabo ye say the campaign mu. En wo ka kire nurses for ni pain say me GM me pa. I will ensure automatic posting.
I know all the problems you have with your allowances and everything. And we're going to come and make things better for you. We're going to come and restore automatic posting so that when you come out of school, you can get a job as quickly as possible.
We want to see you. We want to see you. We want because now promise no na ano edene. Na nansi an Ato Forson everyday budget. Now hemu a nurses energy training for no mofie no omotwa 150,000 just do also pay because you post bi ache. Do also pay. Na eno Ato Forson hwedi no so basa ko fom do they ka say fom pa de anya adwuma clutch. Anya adwuma tu ya botrasa. Munya botre. Na tre say 2025 already budget no. O man fa nurses amfa teacher ni. 2026 so employment enim. Ye amfa teacher ni emfa nurse. Eno ana nurse for Asia for be edin kan abechiru madwen e ho ebe clash with Ato Forson and John Mahama.
Bitum for menti o. Enke teacher training nye school a ukowia wotina fie kra che. Ansa ne post wunya pass online sister. Take one am go teacher training no. Posting last batch first batch of degree for Kufa for posting. You post you be mu. You see him post here. First batch for new post second batch 40 fee. Third batch yem yes yet fee. Ya pass your analysis so yet fee. Fourth batch for so we have a kind. Fifth batch it is a teacher training so ye be shishi ye society to say ye nnuano na SS for ya yo mu. Etum for muntie. Ya kasa chirema muntie. And you say school no schools no mu here teachers so they need teachers. Say like ye national set. Omu here teachers so. Omu here teachers. Class ni bi wo ma combine no mu charge. And to see a be post here chair can nyam post here. It is a teacher training. Oh kwa. O ma me nya register teacher training na say nya register wa. Na ma me no sad wa ko to adumasium. Eni eminye. Lazy beauty salon me be salon. Oh me porch mu. What anya say come bed me. Me ye 3 year nails. Ya ko school. Hey. Me ka man tie me catch him so munsusu nsa na konfo boni a watena mo ho ama konfo papa beto mo no mwantie me cause teacher die ka wie ya ni apost wo wie ya no adwuma da wo wie ya no adwuma da wo mo tiem eyezu onze ya adwuma ni me se me na me papa na do die nya me be hira na me se papa no obenyina me ahata no ye be kwa akohwom no mwanfimi when they say na do free sumi
abusian for it is possible yeah finance minister honorable Ato Forson waba be kasa for say 150,000 nurses and teachers are maybe almost service. Yeah, man cancer. Our motifi. Our multi inform next year. Multi inform. And we have some NDC people. My name is a Gen Z. Like Mama first time name war more say they are commenting. Omoka in some hunu. If I say MPP na cost winner. Like Anna Margin sir. Mahama first time administration or 3 badges and a name goofy. Like and you might 16 in the time. The health workers, teachers, or more market check came. Meaning MPP are buying perm in the 4 or cleaning the floor. A postie or my own form that 4 years. In the first 4 years of buying or the former. And in the second term, one of the far in the first term, one we in the first term on the national, or the far more in the second term. To over completing over complete and the times over some of mine. And now the 5 year Mama Beya or Sakura say on TV that say election time of far workers. Now we are also to be 150 nurses from Goofy, any teachers, to be informed. Am I a young phobia? And I'm a mock candidate like to be an NDC, you don't need brain. Cause again, oh no.
I try for an answer for I hope some information with 1 year. It's our banner's own to me for more. Some farm one gain. No, my train no more real crown extend to me for me. But I will be so near bread of phone so we go training college, nursing training college. Oh, quiet dang. And I will call about better. Oh, I didn't say to me, farm say I didn't need a training baby. Say, Penyah. Kopeka krabra na yemfa unko Dubai na koye adwuma we teacher ni so a teaching opportunity na wo US we betimi apply bi to one among private school na wa kira ade kra a experience because nearby no candidate kire say there's no hope so mo be farm adwuma the earlier the better. Oko Dubai, your mom will deliver or more 5,000, 6,000, 8,000, maybe more 10,000 a month. Minia, Pakun Kukunun Kaka, the floor my noon, in sharp.
Na mafa kwa chira ka 2020 no. COVID-19 ni mu. Ana Kufuor at the buy. I just na a salary cut. 30% salary cut from government appointees. Just say government officials, ministers, MPs, ministers, cabinet ministers, MMDCs. Omo aketua. Kufuor ka say ni opeso onye skabedi chire Ghana ntino. Wate omo aketua so by 30%.
My fellow Ghanaians, we are all going to have to make some sacrifices to afford us the space to navigate the troubled waters of the current economic difficulties. In the case of government, discretionary expenditures of ministries, departments, and agencies have been cut by 30%. The salaries of all political appointees, including myself, have been reduced by 30%. Fuel coupon allocations have been slashed by 50%, and other expenditures suspended.
Because of that, on one point is Omubufuno, and because of that, a Bimukra and Yajuman supporting 24 election, Oma Yajuman supporting because Omunina Omu Eco Quapai, Omu Edala Sadena Ketia, or Betis, when Omu Entia, so they go for Enya, but Enano, Anamo is Egufana or Boagana. Now, Ecufa a year way on and send a 12 Mahama with Tracunaso. Last week, Ato Forson NDC budget. I want to say before then, no, not public service. And as a public servant, o market to your heading kind aba, o mom ya abanya dwuma na o market to your heading kind and to mu heading kind aba. As a bana 9%. Ya to market to just 9% per. E man nkwa ne kan once you twe ho dawura. Afie nkwa tie budget reading here na. Ato Forson me gyina hɔ ma so na all can say presidential staffers Felix Ofosu Kwache mo omom ye adwuma office of the presidency honomo no Felix Ofosu Kwache mo o marketua yatum by 67%. Yatu teacher na katua mo earnings for just 9%. But presidential staffers Ofosu Kwache mo Felix Ofosu Kwache mo yatu marketua mo 67%. Everybody no me de boa Ghana for o me de Felix Ofosu Kwache. What are his contributions to this nation building? There no the Ghana koso. Oyede. Bon can tell me. What does Felix Ofosu Kwache do to support the growth of this country? Oyede. But just say no na eja ketua no. Boy, because MMDC crown o market whether 5,000 cedis now no. You raise it 35,000 cedis say. Masa entumu na ba enye ido gagantu apa gagantu a wayomi gagantu woncheni wayomi enye ize gagantu apa enu na komi dey say TikTokers for no abe clash with John Mahama any NDC for no
hey Kanye Ghana for na munim say na watwe mu budgeter finance minister okokan ye e parliament no yato presidential staffers akatua mu by 67%. Omom ye adwuma our office of government machinery presidential staffers yato market by 67%. Sika na 2025 omu yusu ye nyina 262 million Ghana cedis. And there am no kase yatum e de 540 million Ghana cedis only 1 year per. Eso adwuma ye for omu ye adwuma de ma aban yato market 9%. Aban papa ba indeed. Last year Ofosu Kwache beka che say office of government machinery sika de mo sika kesia na manfo ka ho asem journalists radio presenters na say obi e ka ho asem a ebu ye kon e ka sika idoso dodo no Felix Ofosu Kwache beka che say say national security office of government machinery asintina sika ne ye kesia sa no because national security omo operational money no na eso na me no ka say ye national security every office of government machinery Adina Koshe Ministry of Interior say so still sika ya swadi presidency any office of the government machinery enye sika kitwa any sika ya tambiama Felix Ofosu Kwache Ministry of Government Communications so nkochichema NDC full soldiers any omu communicators so munini kwa any radio presenters no enye sika kitwa etino ye ka say Ghanaians demand clear answers to these scary happenings. Office of the President is using national security as a conduit to milk Mother Ghana. So we shouldn't give way to the President and the Office of Government Machinery to misuse our money in such manner. Enti ye jina so ni akache President any of Ofosu Kwache say sika bia ebekwa Office of Government Machinery bia no ye betina se ni ye de calculator ato ho ni abo na se ebifa enkofon sase anase sika do so no mukodi na omo se no no manfa anya adwuma ye so omo de ye dia 2028 the day of reckoning, the day of accountability no omba bebu hu akonta na ye chew ne do kwhye national security and answer do kwhye yuokwa minim ube conditions am de beba ye betima gya nipa kro a word to a wise is enough. Namaste.
If the way budget panom bekan budget anom bekan yi de ye me yane a teacher for or more train postings, nurse for more train postings, nanka or more train to TBB. Na or mante. Na okwa teacher phone be a journey be no page. Na okwa be no page so. Send me see so part of mine. Na a fan baby make us a me yamfanyamo. Akufado. Na onye. Nanso teachers backlog bakumpo na ni fi. Yam John Mahama we. Ye be catch them say John Mahama no. Oye bida. One more chiri one was as we so a teacher for. Now some come who Professor Janano Pukwadima while running through all teaching ranks. And all the do professor and where vice president. When Timmy could be my teacher for. Now so many can say you allocate Tisika to unnecessary things. Oh, now so by the day when you have minim say Ato Forson the next budget to be ready in the obey include them. Maybe be I kama. Akufado when your backlog back on teacher for backlog back on pofi. John Mahama, the time back would can buy a catch them as a John Mahama buy one recruit a teacher for or create backlog goofy. Or we a teacher for a year, 3 years, also be to make 3 months. The best teacher for the sake of my future and wo mo twen ya wo mahu no say wo no wo se wo no wadi kan kase Ghana no ye short memory ampa ye be short memory so ntine sa to Obama no man bae na wo betwen ya 2027 na waye be 3 batch abom wa ya de wa ye de binsi da na mpa Ghana fo nso adwene be nane na ma san koto Obama NDC na ebefa ese omo ye caretakers mama ye njaye man na ma omo kakra na de omo nhwa na menim se ko mbia so bibia be kama na budget fun we yon be ready ye die there is no hope and you say amagana mabunu ay hopeless amagana mabunu chese wo mun ni da so bia bio because budget no nkrofo bi no mu ebechi sika di ana ye kire ye de we ko office we ye de we ko office we nyansa di bia ni budget o mo ye de o mo ready ye self enrichment budget ana mba ye no create loot and share budget ana mo ready ye no it was in fact it didn't worth our time any can see it because budget na e fan be wo de kire me fa na target youth employment e fan be na enti John Mahama e DNDC for say pan ye to aso and at the end ye kire me budget na fa target employment kire me e bia na me mante a teacher for be bretifie a nurse for be bretifie only for Ato Forson after budget and tea say asem wo ka hwe post ye da so hi
John Mahama buying no a treaty a year the common Ghanaian, the public and civil servants know as if say omo is slaves, as if some yonkoa. Yebakai Labor Union for Fred John Mahama said on to Omakatuum for 2026. Abano catcher almost said John Mahama catcher almost is sikeni ho into betuma to Makatuum betum by just 9%. In fact, it started 2% thereabout. And no, or it be true 9%. What catcher almost is sikeni ho. It won't mean to say the teacher for next faculty of eminent posture. So you added just 9%. Abusian for Ato Forson my kind budget in the home say John Mahama Ato two or no politicians no akatuum by 67%. In the panel catch a teacher for the nurse for the security force say security want to or two makatuum by 9%. Wa called two politicians na sabi ya former Jubilee House or two makatuum by 67%. Let's do big calculation. You see, the be catch them say yeah no is based on fact. Yeah no sabi ye metna ye han ni nka ne ye but ye pese Ghana for ye bi money na mu at the property ye cost of mine. Now me nye calculation way. Pay me source me check on Google to see say how much any presidential staff is at the end of every month. Now most of the presidential staff, no, they are political appointees. How many political appointees at the end of every government, no, they will leave. So all top political appointees now, John Mahama appoint to more a year Jubilee House, no, Omaka to a budget more than 35,000. That's 350 million. It is 350 million. That is a 35,000 Ghana cedis. All right. Now, Obi Onona Katuya or 35,000 Ghana cedis. Scabi Bribino. What to the salary by 67%. Teacher ni Sabi Nakatuya just around 2,000 Ghana cedis. What the Katuya by 9%. Momenye let's take calculation. Teacher ni ana nurse ni Sabi Edna Kutu Krasi. Senakatuya 2,000 Ghana cedis. And most of them, I want you 2,000 Ghana cedis. Senakatuya 2,000 Ghana cedis. Check 9% of 2,000 Ghana cedis. That is 180 Ghana cedis. What it means is that John Mahama had to start nurse for any teacher for Nakatuum just by 180 Ghana cedis, or just 1.8 in account. And my teacher nurse. Okay. But presidential staff is not a more Jubilee House or now Mahama to Nakatuum by 67%. No. We almost also did 35,000 Ghana cedis and above. But we use 35,000 Ghana cedis, no, as the base. So if almost 35,000 Ghana cedis, that is kind of 350 million, our Jubilee House or no man. Mahama tomb by 67%, no. The increment is 23,450. What it means is that John Mahama to market you by over 230 million. So obije akatua 350 million, that's 35,000 Ghana cedis. Now we by 67%. It means that what to buy 223,450 Ghana cedis, that's 230,450 Ghana cedis. And the presidential staffers, top political appointees, no more Jubilee House, to say Bridget Otumone, chief of staff, or market Tuano, so on the 35,000 Ghana cedis, yet to buy 67%. No, Akatuano be rising now. Okabomwa, Akatuano be rising up around 58,000 Ghana cedis. So, Oje 35,000 now. You have to over 23,000. And that's a bosom one. Our market to be jump from 35,000 to 58,450 Ghana cedis. You have to by 230 million old currency. A buying we on yene sabi a here form. A buying we sabi on yene sabi a teacher for this sabi a nurse for this sabi. One more you know grass your money unrespected woman. Because what to teach an nurse naked to you by just 1.8, but what could two politicians get you by 23,000 Ghana cedis? How dainty a year, sir? Who you are catcher said we should make sacrifices for our country. Why do you think that a young folks should make the sacrifices while you, the rich politicians, enjoy? We just warm up. May I come Masaba? Now you have a full and detailed analysis of the 2026 budget.
Ubeda actually wa dwe ama me. E wo comment section. How you Penyah Block Media. Okay.